If you are here, it probably means that you're exhausted physically, emotionally, and mentally. Your body feels like it's a mystery. Your cycles might be irregular, your periods are either too painful, too heavy, too light, or completely unpredictable. And you've spent years being told things like, just lose weight, or it'll happen when you just relax, as if you haven't tried everything already. Maybe you're dealing with unexplained infertility and every negative test feels like a punch to the gut. Maybe you've been diagnosed with PCOS or endometriosis or thyroid issues, but no one has really helped you to understand why is your body struggling the way it is. And maybe you're just tired of feeling like your body is working against you instead of with you. Please, I want you to know you are not broken. You don't need to fight your body. You just need to learn how to work with it instead of against it. And that's exactly why I created the Fertility Circle. This is not just another fertility program. It's a space where you will finally seen, supported and guided step by step, and where I help you to reclaim your health and your fertility. Inside the Fertility Circle, you get a 12-week program, improving your fertility step by step, balancing your hormones, and restore your cycle. A mindset program to help you break free from the anxiety and frustration that come with trying to conceive and emotional eating. We have live group coaching sessions twice a week where I offer more personalized support because you shouldn't have to do this alone. We have Q&As, meal plans, supplement guides, and access to a community of women who truly get what you're going through because they're all in the same boat. And launching soon on March 17th, our brand new nervous system restore course to help you regulate stress, calm inflammation, and create the ideal environment for conception. We're also releasing a parasite cleanse. This journey is about so much more than just getting pregnant. It's about feeling good in your body again. It's about waking up without fatigue, without bloating, without pain. It's about understanding your cycle and trusting that your body truly wants to heal and that your body is working. And when you give it what it needs, pregnancy becomes a natural next step. And if you're tired of guessing, if you're tired of doing this alone, if you're ready for real answers and real support, I'm here for you. So come and join us inside the Fertility Circle and let's figure this out together. Click the button below and I'll see you inside. And I can't wait to meet you.